Mike, you have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no? Hey, come on!
Muchos chivatos se quedan resentidos, no pueden con lo suyo y están pendientes a lo mío. Ma, dime qué vamos a hacer, yo a ti te quiero comer.
First make a video. Now save it. Make another video on the another part. Now click and choose a video.
Save it.
We're rich. We're the rich.
How to act when you see an attractive person. Quickly look away. Now slowly look back, slight smile, look down. Slowly look up at them. Start to wave hi, but then change your mind. Now laugh to yourself. Now dead serious. Now blow them a kiss. Blow them another kiss. Now blow them a French kiss. Flare your nostrils. Now flick your tongue like a lizard. Look away. Now start to look them up and down. Yes, up and down. Now squint your eyes and mouth the words, "Call me."
Minions! Tonight we steal the moon!
Three, two, one, go!
You go down just like Holy Mary, Mariana, Mariana.
Ashley, look at me.
You lucky? I taste good, but I just had to redirect my cooking.
Looks like a cinnamon roll could kill you. Looks like they could kill you is a cinnamon roll. Looks like a cinnamon roll is a cinnamon roll. Looks like could kill you would kill you.
Respect. Power.
Banana!
Banana.
Oh, it's a strawberry.
Okay?
Yep.
Hold on just a second, I'm sorry. My cats are... Stop! Get off the couch!
My little pony, my little pony. My little pony.
Hey, come on!
Put your hands in the air and move with the sound to the earthquake. Give me your answer to I'm crazy all for the love of you.
昨日の私と違うとこどこだかわかる前髪同じメイク同じだよ眉毛一緒ネイルも同じ変えてないどこだろうもっと見てわからないギブアップ何も変えてない見つめて欲しくて聞いただけ
Ashley, look at me.
Let's do it. You need a cardboard, then cut it into a triangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 long pieces. Stick on two sides. Shut it down. Make two things. This tape to connect them together. Very good. Crumple the red paper, then stick it in here. Red color, take a bit to paint the mouth. This white to make the saliva. Now make the tooth. Paint it yellow, add some black. We need many teeth. Stick them all here. Kinda scary. Draw two lines of tongue. Cut. Okay, with the skin tags, take some black to make it dirty. Done the tongue. Now sketch the dragon, like this. Paint the colors. Blue for the dots and horns. Black for all the face. And to the liner. Purple for the eyes. Marker next to the pupil. And to the corner of eyes. Some white sparkle dots here. Cut the scissors. Ta-da! Extra two fins. Now stick them to finish. Light for eyes. Fix it here.
Hello everybody. So recently I followed a tutorial and made this here on my channel, which is, as you can see, a puppet that opens up in the middle like that. It's very cool. But there are a couple of things that I think I could fix about it, make it a little bit better. One thing is it's kind of hard to open up and down like this because the movement with your hand like this is hard to do because your pinky wants to move too. The second thing is that this does not line up straight. As you can see, it has a curve to it, and I think I can fix that. And those are the two main things I want to fix. I'm also thinking of making this one long piece of paper. That way it can be more sturdy. So instead of controlling it like this, I want to control it more like a traditional puppet with your thumb on the bottom like that. So I'll start by tracing out my hand on paper. So now I can use a ruler to design what I'm going to make so that way it fits my hand just right. I start in the middle. I'm going to trace it that way and the other way. There you go. I kind of have a rough draft of the shape I want to use. Now I can cut these out and then use those as a template, adding a little bit of an edge on each one. That way I can cut it out. So with each pattern traced out 4 times each, I even labeled them all. I can now cut these out. So with all the pieces cut out, I'm going to get a piece of paper and I'm going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to glue them together just like this. And I'm going to do that a few more times. And after it's glued together, I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. And to have a really long piece like this. It's going to be the whole entire head. Now it can be one long continuous piece. And see, that helps. So now I can get the paper and I can glue it down the side here and then go back up. As you can see, when I have it done, I can just fold it and I can start gluing on the next piece. And with all together, I can start putting the pieces on the bottom just like this. And after cutting off the extra, I'm left with it like this. So that should really help it go up and down easier. As you can see, it stays together easier that way too. So I'm going to do the same thing again for the bottom. There you go, I have 2 of them. So let's put some paper in between these to hold them in together and see how it looks after that. There you go, I have it all together. Now let's put some rings instead so I can hold my fingers down better. I only put in 2 rings in there, one big one for my 2 fingers on the top and one for my thumb on the bottom. And let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1, and hey, look at that. It works, it stays together easily. I can move it around. And then when I want to, let's see, opens up real nice and big. You can do one side at a time, and it works pretty well. So, let me know what you think. You think I made an improvement to this, or you think I should just go back to this? You know, I think I have an idea what I actually want to do with this design, but it's going to involve some foam and some fleece. So I'll do that later. Until then, have a great day, everybody. Bye.